Hi, in this video I wanna show you how to fix sticky or jammed analog joystick. You need a dropper and kerosene oil. You can also use octane or petrol if you can't manage kerosene. Take a cotton bud and clean that area like shown on the video. I've already fixed it, but now I'm repeating the process again to show you how to fix it. Do not use spirit or thinner, it will destroy your stick just like my previous one. Be sure to take very small drop of kerosene, as the video shows. Pour small drop of kerosene on every corner of that stick. Now gently move round those analog sticks for about 30 seconds. Help your jammed joystick fixed by now. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.